Can a woman wear jeans? Now, we know that a Muslim woman has conditions for the attire she wears. So we have a dress code specifically for women that is more strict than the dress code of men. And why is that? It's very simple. This is human nature. People are drawn to beautiful bodies of women, while beautiful bodies of men do not usually attract them. This is why Islam mandates hijab on women, but it does not mandate hijab on handsome, beautiful men. Therefore, part of the conditions of a Muslim woman attire is that it does not fit her body. It does not show her body curves and bone structure. And this is regarding her going out in front of non-mahram men. But it also applies to going in front of her mahram relatives. So a woman should wear normal clothes in front of her brothers, father, in front of her uncles, in front of her sons. These normal clothes should not be seductive. Even though they are her mahram, at the end of the day, shaitan is there. So she must not wear jeans in front of them, because jeans by nature fits a woman's body and shows her curves when she's sitting, when she's standing, when she's bending. And this allows shaitan to intervene when people have illness in their hearts. So Islam prohibits this. What about other women? The same thing with other women. She's allowed to wear jeans when she's alone in her home, or when she's in the presence of her husband, and there's no problem in that. Or when she's wearing a long shirt or t-shirt that goes down to her knees, so it hides her buttocks and waist and her thighs. In this case, that would be permissible, inshallah. Other than that, she must refrain from it, and Allah knows best.